Hare Krishna. What is present in the mind? The mind is essentially a reservoir of impressions based on the past thoughts, desires, intentions and actions that we have chosen. Just as if we compare it to a software that records how the user uses it and then customizes itself. So, for example, if we compare it to Google, now when I search on Google and you search on Google, we may not get the same results because Google customizes the results based on what we have searched earlier and what our overall preferences are based on the sites that we have visited and what we have chosen earlier. So, similarly, two people may see the same object. An alcoholic and a non-alcoholic may see a bottle of alcohol, and the impressions in the mind of the alcoholic will immediately cause a overpowering craving to rise. I want to drink. And a non-alcoholic will not feel any such craving. So, the impressions in the mind are based on the kind of actions that we have done, and they make us act in particular ways. So, the mind is made of these impressions, and we could say that there are primarily desires, emotions, memories which are stored over there. So, if we have done a particular activity in the past, then the recollection of that is triggered whenever we see something related with that activity again, and then that prompts us towards action. So, the mind is what proposes to us. For a non-alcoholic, there is no proposition, come on drink, but for an alcoholic, there is a proposition, drink, and this proposition comes because of the impressions stored in the mind. So, these impressions can be called by various names. When they are positive, usually they are called as samskaras. When they are negative, they are called as vasanas. So, samskaras are positive impressions which can be cultivated by exposing the mind to positive stimuli. However, if we have indulged in lust, if we have indulged in anger, if we have indulged in violence, then these also create an impression and they push us accordingly. So, we need to change the impressions in the mind so that we can change the mind. The more we expose it to positive stimuli, the more it will become internally impressed with positive impressions, and then it will impel us towards positive actions. Thank you. Hare Krishna.